gotta lift it off the ground a little bit. Oh, he's going high. Are you high? You must be high. Yep. Whoever is over there is high.
Tujer.
That's Tujer.
I was low.
He's
coming after mine.
Yeah, just stay there. Feel the bite. He's looking at your top blue right now. Feel it. Feel the bite, okay? Just feel the bite.
There's another one coming.
It's by me. Oh. It's not biting, Tujer. Drop it down. He'll go down. Yep. Yeah, it's going over to Chinu. No, it's coming back to you.
Oh, I swam away.
The other rod is designed to pound. It's not even interested in my stuff.
That one? Okay,
Yep,
yeah,
yep. It's right there. Just hold it in the air and just slowly shake it.
Tujer asked me if I cold, and I don't know why, but I responded. My contacts are dry.
You want Tujer to hold you so that you'll be warm?
No.
I don't think Tujer mind holding you to keep you warm.
My hands. This gloves is so wet.
Wait, why are your gloves wet? Oh.
Ooh, this fish. By Tujer.
So, lunch?
Lunch?
Dinner?
Ooh, fish coming. Fish coming from...
Oh, dang it, I just dropped.
Drop it back down. Oh my goodness, I think I scared it when I dropped mine down.
Man.
Oh.
Glory. I catch all three of them.
You can't leave us. We need the ball to pull the sled.
Yeah, that's why you wanted Tujer and I to come.
Yeah, but you guys are not doing it.
Hey, I pulled the sled all the way
He
here.
didn't do it.
And I was getting in my workout. I pulled the sled all the way here. Oh, dude, think about going uphill with the sled.
Oh, that hill is not big. You should think about. There's a place called Bayshore. It's a big hill. You think that hill is big? The other hill is like steep and turn like that. I don't know. If we don't catch anything by 11, we should leave to go a different spot. Like, get back in the truck and go somewhere else. Thomas!
What?
Should we go to Red River?
Red River?
Yeah.
I haven't got anything over there either.
Well, I haven't got anything here.
Ask T.
I heard you say we're not jiggling it.
I'm shaking my worm the way I know how. It's still not biting.
But they are coming, right?
We saw a couple, but then they're so shy.
At least you're seeing it. I only saw one. I lost it. If you want to, you can take them to Bayshore.
Yeah, but it's a long walk down there.
That's the. Well, I thought you were training them. We're gonna climb the little small hill we have here.
Nope. Nope, 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 nope.
These guys have excuses all the time. One excuse after another.
What's your excuse?
I don't have an excuse.
Your excuse is us.
My excuse is you guys have excuses. We left Big Rock around 11 o'clock. And by the time we got to Lime Camp, it was about 11:30. we decided to go and fish next to where my brother-in-law they were. My nephew came and picked us up at the shore, and it's a good thing we went to Lambkin because we managed to catch some fish and our day was not wasted. Especially when these guys that I'm taking today, they've never ice fished before and this is their first time. I don't want to bring them in and have them skunk out. Mr. Seagull, I know you want the fish. You can have them. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, this guy. Took my top one with the fly. We hear that?
Yeah.
Ice cracking.
It's like right there.
Mr.
I really like going to the top ones.
Yeah, because they're right above. They like to go right above the ground. So the top one's right there. Mr. Seagull there is waiting for our fish. He already came and pecked the eye off of one of my fish right here. See that? It's okay. I fillet it anyway. Oh, it's going to me. It's coming to me. That's where the last guy disappeared and I got hit.
No.
Yes. Oh, it's coming to you now.
There's two.
So come to me. Come to me. Oh, yeah, I got it.
It's still down there?
There's still another one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one feels big. This one feels big.
There's two down there.
It's about 250 and we're starting to get the hits right now. Oh, yeah, yeah.
No,
Keep it tight. You got to keep it tight.
I got it.
Yes. I came in here after you were catching and now look, I'm catching it instead of you. Oh, hold on a sec, Mr. Fishy. There you go. Doot, 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 doot. Mr. Seagull. Mr. Seagull. Did I give you the wax worms?
Yeah, it's done.
Oh, my line's all twisted. Yeah, I'll put this wax worm right there. What's that?
Did
Hey!
you get that far?
Mr. Seagull!
So far.
Did I throw that far? I did. Let's see who he's gonna take, yours or mine. Let's see who can shake the little worm better. Because when you shake it, you're making the worm kind of wobble in the air. That's why.
How do you feel the bite?
You don't feel the bite? You just feel the weight, that's all.
I got the biggest one.
Yes. Good.
I got the pair what you need.
It's okay. Nah. Oh! Ah, shoot! I missed it. There he is. He's still there. Come on, come back. Come back. Come to you. Oh, there's one more. So just shake it lightly. Oh. Oh, he didn't even bite it yet. You set the hook. He's still there though. This is their feeding time right now at 3 o'clock. Oh! Oh! He got it! Easy, easy, easy. Don't force it too much. Don't force it too much. Okay,
Why is one in the sky?
that was the one in the sky.
Yeah.
That was a high one. There's still one down there too.
Tiny.
Yeah, best is use one hand to handle the fish. At least one hand is only less slimy, not both of them. Here, that's why you bring this
What?
towel.
Oh. You look at Toyota?
Yeah, I'm sponsored by Toyota.
And fishing?
Toyota Fishing, yeah, the Tundra. Oh shoot, I thought that was a fish. I wish I was sponsored by Toyota. That'd be like ultimate sponsorship. Oh, I had one. I had one. Here comes another high one in the background. See that?
Right in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
No. Here he's looking at yours. I think he's biting it.
Nope. That's 20. Imagine if I doubled up.
I know. It'd be nice if we both doubled up at the same time. Okay, he's coming back. I don't know which one I am. Am I on the left or the right?
You're the right.
Oh, really? All that time I thought I was on the left.
No, this is me.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm on the right, huh? On the right in the background. This feels pretty good.
Where'd the fish go?
It's on my hook right here. This is where the fish is. See?
Too small. It took everything though.
You took my whole bait. Hey, I want my wax worm back, buddy. Thank you.
That's 15. That's 15. That's that 15, bro. Dude, it's so wet.
Yeah, my socks are drenched. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I forfeit.
Forfeit?
I forfeit. Give me
Fish
the
by
keys
you,
to your
Chinu.
car.
Fish by you.
Huh?
This is fish by you.
Gas in the water.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I forfeit. Can you give me your keys to your car?
No, you gotta take the stuff back.
Dude, you have two strong men here with you, Runo and Tujer.
Okay, hold on. Let me drop this down. Catch this fish first, and then I'll give the key.
Fish?
Oh yeah, fish. It's coming by you. Was it by me? By you.
By you.
Is it?
You're so tiny, man.
Oh, you never know. Might look tiny, but oh, you got it. Nice. Keep it tight.
No,
Oh, you lost
got
it.
loose.
You should just keep it tight. Well, check since you're up. Check your wax worms.
Dang, it's so hard to keep it tight. I gotta
Just
like all the way
lift it up and then just keep it there. Just reel it fast.
What?
Yeah,
So the higher you pull up, the harder it is.
yeah. You don't have to go that high up there. You can just go up like this and then just keep it tight. Keep the line tight. Oh, keep it tight. Yeah, stay there. Don't overwork it. Don't overforce it. When you get to the hole, don't horse it up like you did before. Easy, easy. Grab it by here. What you do is you take this, just go under, push it up. Oh, that's a nice big one.
Okay, got the big one.
That's a nice one. Good job.
I just had to guess that he was on.
Sometimes it's hard to feel it. Here, step on him and then grab the. Don't step too much. Just use your feet to step on him, and then you can just unhook him. And if you want to, take the plier and pinch his gill and.
Everything.
Got it?
Yeah.
Don't let him go back in the hole.
He's big.
He's big. That's a nice one. Okay. Don't get the plier dirty now. Just kick him over there. Just kick him over.
This one's bigger.
That's bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. No skunk. Team no skunk. Oh, fish down there. No, we gotta go down. Gotta go back. Oh, whole school. A whole school. Oh. Drop. Don't knock him over the head with it.
No, it's not there.
Oh, they see it. Yes.
you?
Yes. Yeah, I'm at the bottom already. Because I have weight on mine. Oh. Okay, a few more coming on the right. Ooh, look at that. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
6, 8. Oh, come on. Okay, this is our chance to double up. Our chance to double up right here. Oh, they went away.
Gotta track them back.
Yeah, you gotta pound the bottom to get them to come back. Oh, there it is. Oh, no. No. 350. Ooh, fish. 430 is where the storm's supposed to hit. Fish on the right, here, fish on the left. Come on. Give us a few more, then we're gonna take off. Oh, wait for me. Okay. Did they bite or are you just setting it? No, wait for the bite. Lift it up very lightly to see if you feel the weight. If you feel the weight, then that means they bit it. That fish has never been to a water slide before. That one says I don't want to take a picture. You got it? We managed to get 12 fishes total among the 4 of us, which is pretty good, I think, considering that we didn't get there till 11:30.
Yeah.
But we managed to leave right before 4 o'clock, packed up all of our stuff, and were able to get on the road before the storm hit. The storm was supposed to hit by 4:30,
which we did pretty good. And if you can see in the video, the storm did hit pretty hard and we left right on time. Thank you for watching the video. And if you watch it this far, please consider subscribing, share it with your friends, and click that notification bell so when I have a video, it comes out, you guys will be the first to see it. Thank you and have a blessed day.